Hello foodie friends and welcome back to my channel. I got a call from my baby brother the other day saying he wanted to make homemade chicken nuggets and he wanted to ask me what ingredients he needed. After telling him the ingredients over the phone, I thought why not just get him to come over so I can teach him hands-on and make a whole day of it. He's 10 years old, so it was exciting hearing that he wanted to make his own food. I'm all for kids learning to do things on their own, and it's never too early to teach them to take care of themselves. If we teach them how to cook by themselves, it will establish a healthy, growing foundation. So right now we are just making a marinade with 1 cup of cashew milk and the juice of a whole lemon. And we are just going to let it sit for a few hours, although overnight is best. Cover with aluminum and store it in the fridge. Once it's done marinating, we are mixing one more time to make sure all of the juices are incorporated. It makes my heart happy knowing he actually enjoys cooking. We are draining the chicken now because we don't need the milk bath anymore, and we need the chicken pieces drier in order for the egg to stick. He loves cracking eggs. Now we are mixing in the egg until it's well incorporated. Now for the dry ingredients, I'm showing only half the actual measurements because I thought this would be enough. So this recipe calls for double what you see here. Full measurements and ingredients are in the comment section below. So we are using 2 cups of cassava flour, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of herb de Provence, and 2 teaspoons of salt. time to coat the wet nuggets in the dry mixture. After that, we are going to fill the bottom of the pan with duck fat, or you can use any oil for frying. And you want to add just enough to be able to fry the nuggets. Once they are golden brown, they are ready to serve and enjoy.